just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird sign of the time. Need to keep busy, trying to eat the hours away. Who knew that I like Milky Way? Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. Think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch the...
Good morning, sunshine. It is Monday morning. I haven't really done anything yet because I got my grocery order right away, which you just saw. So I got that put away, and now I'm going to clean some of this mess and hopefully make myself a coffee.
Sit by the window, catching the sun and tracing clouds. I can't believe I'm missing crowds. Time moving so slow, again I'm staring at my phone. Yesterday feels a year ago. Wake up, I'm ready to go, yeah. Feeling so good in control, yeah. Then think of the places I could be, so I give up and watch the TV. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. Oh, 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 being alone together. Oh, 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 being alone together. I never take for granted us dancing in the rain, a stocked up supermarket, alone together, a date night at the movies, meetups in coffee shops, cities alive with people, alone together. I think I'm going crazy, pacing around my room. Tell me that it gets better, being alone together. The world is upside down and I'm turning inside out. But I know it will get better, being alone together.
I just finished doing some video editing for a client, and now I'm going to take a break and make myself some lunch. If I'm being completely honest with you, I really don't feel that great today. I'm actually feeling a little bit down. I have very low energy, so I'm going to make some ramen because it's one of my favorite comfort foods, and it takes 2 minutes.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah. I'm so bored of going to all the sweaty clubs. I'm just gonna order takeout and chill on my couch, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call if you wanna hear me out.
See, I might make YouTube, but I'm actually also obsessed with YouTube. So I'm just getting caught up on some Eamon and Beck during my lunch break.
I'm having a house party and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. Do what I want, yeah, do what I want.
So I finished lunch, and I think that maybe it's time that I get a little bit of fresh air because it looks like it's a really sunny day outside, and I probably need some vitamin D. Oh, welcome to my murder stairs, by the way.
I'm so over faking my life on the internet. Wear no makeup or high heels tonight, I can forget, yeah. I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call if you wanna hear me out. Well, I don't really care, 'cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, do
I do feel a little bit better now having gone outside. It's only -6 outside, so pretty mild. I think that's 21 Fahrenheit, something like that. Yeah, just got outside, got a little bit of sunshine in my eyes. Really, I find really helps. Even if I don't want to go outside because it's cold, it seriously helps just to go outside for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to sit down and do some more work. I have some Instagram photos to edit and schedule, and then I have some more video work to do for Dark Sunlight.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take on my phone, 1 second, right to you.
Hey, play my dance therapy playlist.
Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. I know we've never met and things like this never last, but every time you text back, I can't help but reply with lights in my eyes. I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, cause you're really cute. I think instead I'll slide into your DMs like I said. I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face.
My workday is done, or I'm calling it done for now anyways. I don't know if you guys ever just like want snacks for dinner, but that is totally what I'm going to do today because I don't feel like cooking still. I am feeling a lot more positive though. I just, this whole lockdown thing I think is finally getting to me. As an extrovert, I get my energy from being around other people, which is not to say that I hate being alone or anything. I value my alone time so much, and a lot of the time I'm perfectly happy. It's just draining. It's like having your battery drained and not ever being able to charge it. So, and Zoom calls help a little. It's kind of like a little mini charge, but like not quite the same thing. So my energy is just waning lately. But that's okay. We just do the best we can. We make snacks for dinner and move on. Later on, I have some recording to do for a very fun project I'm doing with my friend. I'm not going to tell you about it just yet, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to share it with you guys. And also probably just going to cuddle up on the couch and watch a bit of YouTube because who doesn't love to do that?
Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day, used to rush to work and have no time for.
So this is shockingly not wine. It is flavored water in a wine glass because I'm trying to be festive without actually drinking alcohol. I decided that I would take a little bit of a break from drinking. It can just be expensive and also expensive calorie-wise too. I thought that seeing as I'm kind of going through a bit of a rough time right now in lockdown, that I should probably just honor my feelings and feel my feelings and not try to drink wine to ignore them, because I don't think that's particularly healthy. So we're just taking a little break and I'm having some flavored water instead. And now I'm going to enjoy this little snack that I made and watch some YouTube.
All the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on The Bachelor. We'll still have to get. Always used to worry, always in a hurry. Let all of the minutes just fly by. Focus on the wrong things, double tapping, scrolling. Fall asleep while asking myself why. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town. Home with the family on new reality. Four walls and a door, nothing's like before. You and me and no distractions. So keep it. Oh.
So I've kind of ignored my morning routine for the past week or so. I think I've been a little bit in survival mode, but today I woke up feeling a lot better, so I wanted to try to actually incorporate all the things into my morning that I like to do, like a bit of stretching and some tarot and journaling. So I'm thinking I'm just going to do a quick sort of body, mind, spirit spread just to do a little check-in on myself and give myself a starting point to journal about. So I'm just shuffling with that intention in mind.
Cancel every plan, catch up on the bachelor. We'll still have the game. Let's just keep it. I wanna keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it simple. Let's just keep it. I wanna keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it simple.
Since this morning, I've just done a bunch of video editing and I'm going to take a break for lunch. I'm not feeling particularly hungry, so all I have is a bit of leftover smoothie and some leftover hummus. This is roasted artichoke and spinach hummus, which I have not tried before, and it's delicious. Highly recommend. And some pita chips. So I'm just going to munch on that for now, see how I feel, and then get back to work. Good morning. Kind of lost you guys yesterday. I mainly just worked for the rest of the day, so not a lot happened and I didn't really film much. Today, what an interesting way to start my day. I just did my daily tarot spread and I've got some major players in here. So the way this spread works is the card to the left is your projects for the day. So it could be work related or home projects, just things that you're working on. Doesn't need to be like your career work, but work. The card to the far right has to do with relationships. Again, doesn't need to be like strictly romantic relationships. It could be friendships, family relationships, that type of thing. The card to the bottom is yourself. It's how you are doing that day. The card at the top is kind of a wild card or unexpected things that could happen throughout the day. And then the card in the middle is the outcome. And as you can see, I've got the devil and I've got the tower. But I love that I have the 3 of cups in the self slot because like I may have the outcome of the tower, but I'm still just a party on the inside. It's great. So that's how I've started off my day so far. I just finished journaling about that and I did just a little bit of yoga and stretching again, which it feels so good to be getting back into that because I've been so lazy about it lately. And yeah, I suspect today's going to be just another boring day of work, but what else is new? We're in lockdown. This is what life is now. So I'll check in later.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling on the screen. Oh, walk to the kitchen.
Time for lunch, so you know what that means. More pita chips and hummus, because I am a very boring person. But I'm also going to make this Evive smoothie thing as well. I've got some oat milk to mix into it. And we'll see how that turns out. Now I just need to wait for this to thaw. You can totally put it in a blender, but I'm just gonna wait for it to melt because I don't have a blender at the moment.
Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli. While the world ends, that's where I will be. Go back to my room. I pick up the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Erin knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants. And I just might take a painting, read every book. Then I'll learn to cook from videos online. Oh, yeah, we all have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli. While the world ends, that's where I will be.
Okay, be honest with me. Did that feel like watching one of your Sims try to learn to play guitar? I know. It's okay. It's just for fun. Both my dad and my brother are really talented at this, and I just like to mess around. And yes, I do indeed wear my toque in the house because it's freezing in here and I am always cold. So try your best not to judge me. Anyways, I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. Honestly, knowing that I was getting up in the morning to film this vlog and to talk to you gave me some extra motivation this week, and I just want to thank you for that. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Until next time.